Hey guys, welcome back to Lumelli Armory. Today we're going to be looking at the CVLIFE Red Dot and 3X Magnifier Combo Kit. Alright, so both the Red Dot and Magnifier are going to come shipped in this black box. Up on top it says Optics Combo Kit. Let's take a look inside. Be greeted with some foam here. And on top we have the 3X flip-to-side magnifier with quick detach mount, the user's manual. So here's the catalog, all the specifications, structure, contents, how to install, centering the magnifier, the diopter adjustment, warnings, precautions, and the warranty. So here's the specification. It is a 3X magnification. And then it's made out of aluminum. It is for a Picatinny mount. And here is the elevation and windage adjustment. Also which way to install this, so you don't install it backwards. So there is an eye relief setting here. And then this is going to be your objective lens. And there is the quick detach lever. Get the lens cover, which is nice. A wrench, cleaning cloth. And this is how you would install the product. And easy to tilt and flip 90 degrees. And you can also adjust the tightness here. And then how to properly center the dot or the magnifier with the red dot. And there's your adjustment. We'll go over that. Warnings, precautions, and your warranty. Then here's the cleaning cloth. And then here is the manual for the Eagle Feather multiple red dot sight. Here's another catalog. More specifications. Here's the product structure, windage elevation, battery cover. You do have the low profile mount or the co-witness mount. Your brightness settings up and down. Everything included. How to install your battery. Product installation on the Picatinny rail. Lots of good information here. So you do have a red circle dot, red dot, or just the red circle. So it is 3 MOA. Elevation adjustments, really easy to access. And then windage adjustments here. You get your maintenance and care and your troubleshooting. There's your warranty and your batteries. Lots of good info in these manuals, guys. Definitely look over those. And here's another larger cleaning cloth. There's a tool. We have our battery. And then here's the low profile mount. It's got Loctite already in there. So here's the red dot sight. Like when they include these covers, keep all the dust off the lenses. And then here is the magnifier. Really nice looking. Feels sturdy. Here's the cover. And then the quick flip. Some of the magnifiers have this little switch that you have to press in order to flip these, but this one just flips under tension, which is my preference. Really nice. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look at the red dot sight and the 3X magnifier. So here is, remove these caps, the red dot sight. So you can see it does have nice clear glass. And then here is the elevation adjustment. So you can use the top of this cap. And you hear the audible clicks. So that changes your elevation, and then your windage here on the right. Same thing, you can use the cap to make those adjustments. And once you're all done, go ahead and put the caps back on. And here's going to be the battery tray, which we'll turn on the dot here. So again, this is a CR2032 battery. Very easy to access and to install. And then here is the optic turned on. Alright guys, so here is the red dot sight. So this is the red dot turned on to the max brightness setting. This is the 3 MOA dot. And then if you wanted to switch it out, you just hold this plus button here. Then now you have the circle. Then one more time, and you'll have the circle with the dot. So it is going to be a 65 MOA circle with the dot there. And then here's back to the 3 MOA dot. Super clear, very easy to see. And then here are the adjustment settings. You can see the light get dimmer all the way to night vision. Let's turn that back on to the brightness setting. Very nice. So this will have 10 different brightness settings. So you have 2 night vision and then 8 daylight settings. You can switch between a 3 MOA dot, a circle, or a circle with a dot, which is my preference, my favorite there. And again, this is the absolute co-witness mount. You can switch it to the lower profile mount, but just fair warned that the magnifier will not work since it will be a lot higher. Now let's take a look at the magnifier here. So this is set at just 3 times magnification, but you do also have the elevation setting here with audible clicks. What you want to do first is zero in your red dot and then go ahead and adjust your magnification, windage and elevation so that it's a perfect circle around the dot. And then here is your windage, same thing. Can you hear that? Then here is your eye relief adjustment, so positive and negative, just depending on where you have this mounted and how far away your eyes are going to be to this magnifier. So you just adjust that. And as I showed before, you can just flip this over to the side. So when you have this mounted and you just want to use your red dot, you can move that to the side. And then when you want to shoot further, you use your magnification. And this does have the quick detach, so it goes on your Picatinny rail. You would just press on this, and it releases, and then just shut it to close that. So for any reason, if you wanted to remove this without using any tools, you can do that. This one does have the pick rail screw here, so you would have to mount it that way, but still great options here. Alright guys, now we're going to use a Picatinny rail as an example for the installation, just to show you how easy it is. So first off, you want to start with the magnifier. Usually you want to bring this as far to the rear as you can, just for the eye relief. Just find your spot, go ahead and click that there. Easy as that. And then the next thing you want to do is set up your red dot sight. So usually you want it not right up against it, maybe just like a space in between, but you can do that. Let me go ahead and untighten this real quick. All right, so if you can see, if I put it here, it's going to be touching, not really seated correctly, so you want it just right up there. Use the provided tool and go ahead and tighten that. Alright guys, and now you can see that the red dot sight and the magnifier are installed. Again, if you wanted to use just the red dot sight, you could just move that to the side, aim down your sights right here through the red dot, and then if you wanted the magnification, you can flip that right over. It's really easy to install, really good combo in my opinion, just because you can have your 1x with your red dot, and then if you needed just that little bit of power, you can go ahead and use the 3x magnification. And also wanted to touch on how easy it is to remove the quick detach. So you just push this back, open this up, and it comes right off. So now you just have the red dot sight. Alright guys, so that was the CVLIFE Optics Combo Kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.